JavaScript is a programming language which is used quite extensively these days for web development, and you can use it in different ways. You can use it as a front-end development language. So if you want to run small programs on client machines, you can basically create those programs, and those programs would be can be executed within a browser. And the other way you can basically use JavaScript is that you create programs which are capable of running on server side. Now the next few tutorials, I'm not going to be focusing on JavaScript in terms of the context in which you're using. It won't necessarily be looking into the language as a front-end language, how you can use it to work along with the web pages, or how you can use it as a server-side programming language. But I would rather be just concentrating on the fundamental building blocks, things which are necessary to understand the working of JavaScript as a programming language. And then depending on how you want to use it, you can use it either as a front-end language which can work with HTML, or as a back-end language as well. Now there are different ways in which you can write JavaScript. You can write it along with HTML code, but to follow along these tutorials, I would suggest that you use Google Chrome. And if you have opened the Google Chrome window right now, you can basically just hit F12 and go on to console, and this is so these are the F12 developer tools in Google Chrome, and this is the console section, and you can pretty much write JavaScript on this console and try out some basic statements over here. So if you've got this set up on your computer, then you're all set to follow along. So I will basically be testing some of the statements, some of the fundamentals within this console window, and we can test some of the basic statements in the next video.